From pip to paradise, growing your own apple tree. Ever dreamed of biting into a juicy apple, knowing you grew it yourself from a tiny seed? It sounds like magic, but it's totally achievable. Join us as we unlock the secrets to growing your own apple tree from a pip. First, you'll need apple seeds. Choose apples from varieties you love. Organic apples are often a good choice. You'll also need paper towels, a plastic bag, a pot, and some good quality potting mix. A refrigerator is also essential for the stratification process. Don't forget a permanent marker to label your bag and pots. This will help you keep track of your progress. Carefully cut open your apple and remove the seeds. Select plump brown seeds. These are more likely to be viable. Rinse the seeds thoroughly under cool water. This removes any sugary residue that could attract mold. Gently dry the seeds with a paper towel. Now they're ready for stratification. Stratification is crucial for apple seed germination. It mimics the cold winter months. Place the seeds on a damp paper towel. Fold the paper towel over the seeds. Put the paper towel with the seeds inside a plastic bag. Seal the bag and label it with the date and apple variety. Place the bag in the refrigerator for 90 days. This cold period breaks the seed's dormancy. Check the seeds periodically to ensure the paper towel stays damp. Add a little water if needed. After stratification, it's time to plant. Fill your pot with potting mix. Make a small hole in the center of the pot, about ½ an inch deep. Place 1 or 2 seeds in each pot. Cover the seeds with potting mix and gently water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Place the pot in a warm, sunny location. A south-facing window is ideal. Be patient. Germination can take several weeks. Keep the soil moist and the area warm. Once seedlings emerge, provide plenty of light. Rotate the pot regularly to ensure even growth. Thin out the seedlings, leaving only the strongest one in each pot. This gives it room to grow. Water regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. After a year or two, your apple tree will be ready to transplant. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball. Gently remove the tree from the pot and place it in the hole. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly. Add a layer of mulch around the base of the tree to help retain moisture. Protect your young tree from pests and diseases. Regular monitoring is key. Apple trees grown from seed may not produce the same type of fruit as the parent tree. Grafting is often necessary. Grafting involves attaching a branch from a known apple variety to your seedling's rootstock. This ensures you get the desired fruit. This is a more advanced technique, but it's essential for reliable fruit production. Research grafting techniques or seek help from a local nursery. Growing an apple tree from seed takes time and patience. Don't be discouraged if you encounter challenges. Enjoy the process and celebrate each milestone. The reward of harvesting your own apples is well worth the effort. Remember that it can take several years for your tree to produce fruit, but the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Growing an apple tree from a pip is a rewarding and educational experience. It connects you to nature and provides a sense of accomplishment. Now that you know the steps, are you ready to embark on this exciting gardening adventure? Start gathering your supplies, stratify those seeds, and get ready to nurture your own apple tree. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks, and share your apple growing journey with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see your Pip to Paradise transformations. Happy gardening!